Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics questions for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start. And before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. The value of 0.3636 divided by 0.06 will be 1. 0.3636 divided by 0.06, it will become 363606. 1 2 3 4 2, so 2 2 6 606 606 by 100, so answer is 6.06. so B is the right answer. Question number 2. 146 into 38 plus 146 into 46 plus 146 into 16, so it's become question number 2. 146 into 38 plus 146 into 46 plus 146 into 16, it's become 146, both it's become, so 38 plus 46 plus 16, 146 into 100, it's become 14600, so 14,600. B is the correct answer. 3. The number which is nearest thousands of 5555 will be, so the number is 5555. We have to calculate nearest thousand, so here 555, so there is a 5, so we have to add 1 with that, so it's become 6000, so B is the right answer. Question number 4. If a basket of 60 oranges cost 54, then the cost of 54 oranges is, simply we calculate it in unitary method. Question number 4, that 60 orange cost 54, one orange cost 54 by 60, that is 54 orange cost 54 into 54 by 60, 19, it's become 48.60, so B is the correct answer. Question number 5. The area of a square is equal to area of a rectangle measuring 16 cm and 9 cm breadth. The perimeter of the square will be, so 5. Length of rectangle that is 16 cm, breadth of rectangle that is 9 cm, so area of rectangle that is 16 into 9, 144 centimeter square, so side, that is side of rectangle square, the area of rectangle and square is equal, so side of square is 144, that is for 12 centimeter, so perimeter of square is 4 into 12, that is 48 centimeter, so C is the right answer. Question number 6. A person borrowed a sum of rupees 20,000 for 2 years. On simple interest, he had to repay rupees 24,800 including after 2 years. The rate of interest per annum was. So, question number 6. Amount that is 24,800, principal that is 20,000, time that is 2 year, interest that is 24,800 minus 20,000, it has become 4,800. So simple, we calculate it from formula that is rate equal to I into 100 by P into T, that is I 4800 into 100 by P, that is 20,000 into T, that is 2 year, 2 2 20 20 20 2. So 12%. So rate of interest 12%. B is the right answer. Question number 7. The number 9708 star 3 divided by 9. The number which came in the place of star is. So the number is divisible by 9. We know that if we add all the number, the sum is divisible by 9, the total number is divisible by 9. So we add both number, 9 plus 7 plus 0 plus 8 plus 3, it's become 27. 27 is divisible by 9, so we have to add 0 with that. So in place of star, the number is 0. So A is the right answer. Question number 8. HCF of 42, 70, 98 and 126 is. So we calculate HCF in division method, that is 98 divided by 126, 198. (28) 98 3 14 28 2 28. So HCF 98 and 126 is 14. After that we calculate the HCF 70. Calculate the HCF of 14 and 70, that is 70. After that we calculate the HCF of 14 and 42, it's become 342. So HCF is 14. So B is the right answer. Question number 9. Mr. Ravi bought a old washing machine for rupees 13,000 and spent rupees 2,000 for repairing. After that he sold it for rupees 18,000. Find his profit or loss percentage. So he brought it, that cost price brought at rupees 13,000, repairing (2,000), total 15,000. So CP become 15,000. Cost price 15,000. He sold it, that is SP is 18,000. So profit, that is 18,000 minus 15,000, that is 3,000. So profit percentage is 3,000, that is profit by CP, that is 15,000 into 100. So 100, 5, 20. So 20%. So C is the right answer. Question number 10. The following pictograph shows the student activity during lockdown in a specific day. Online classes 2. There is 2 picture. Here the question is how many hours a student spent in online study. In online study there is 2 picture and one picture represent 2 hours. So 2 picture represent 4 hours. In online study the student spend 4 hours. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.